Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and let's continue with the series of blind 75 LeetCode questions. Now let's look at the third question, and this is going to be a really small video because there is not much to explain. This is really simple and anyone with basic programming knowledge can solve this. But before we go ahead, I would like you to know that there is completely a playlist available. There is blind 75 LeetCode questions. I have created this playlist. And other than that, I have also LeetCode Medium and LeetCode Easy playlist available. Okay, so if you want, you can check that out. Now let's jump into the question, and as it says, we have to find if the array given to us, it contains a duplicate value or not. Okay, it is really that simple. There is no rocket science going on over here. So there are there are multiple ways to solve this, but we'll be primarily focusing on two ways. Okay. First is we will sort the arrays, okay, and we will check if there are any consecutive two elements that are same, okay. Like for example, if we consider the first example, we have values 1 2 3 1, okay, and after we solve this, we will get 1 1 2 3, okay, after sorting. So we have two consecutive ones together. That means it contains a duplicate value, okay. So that is as easy as it gets. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's jump into the first approach. So what are we going to do is that we'll first sort this, okay, and next what we are going to do, we are going to go through our array, okay, and we will check if there are two consecutive elements same or not. If they are same, that means it contains a duplicate value and will return true. If we do not find anything, that means there are no duplicate elements and we will return false. Okay, let me submit this. Okay, so it is really that easy. Now the second approach is going to be like this. So let me keep it over here only, so that if you want, you can copy this. The second approach, always we have to remember that whenever we are asked about duplicate or unique, we have always the approach of using HashSet. Okay, we can always use set when it comes to questions like this, where we have to find duplicate or we have to consider if there are any unique elements or not. So this is one thing, we can use set, right? So how are you going to do that? So first we'll go through the array, okay, and we will check if that element is inside our set or not. If it is, then it is good. We have found an element which has a duplicate value and we will return true. If not, we'll simply add that element to our set. Now let's jump into the code then. We'll create a set, okay, and that's it. We'll go through our, okay, I will just simply use for each loop, okay, and let's give a good name, int value in nums. If set contains value, that means we have found a duplicate and will return true. If not, then we will add our value to our set. Okay, if the whole going through the array we do not encounter any like duplicate value, then we'll simply return false. Okay, now let me submit this. Okay, so it is really that simple, and using HashSet we have also reduced our time complexity, like the runtime. Okay, where is it? Yeah, so right now it before without using the HashSet we had runtime 20 ms, and after using HashSet we had 6 ms. So that's also one benefit over the general approach. So that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it and you learned something new and you enjoyed it. I know it was not much, like it was not at all necessary to cover this kind of question. I know you people are smart and you know all this, but since I have to cover these questions, it is necessary. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding.